Hi friends and crafters, today we're gonna make something new. When I was in the basement I found this foam and I had an imagination and I decided to create something special. So we're gonna make an embroidered leather valet tray. This will be my first time. I just finished pattern and we're gonna test it together. And let's look what we're gonna have. The base will be dark brown. Inside we will make embroidered light brown leather and we will try to make it with foam. This will be my first time, so together we will make it. Okay, I have some tools, knife, weight, thread. Okay, and let's go. First we're gonna start from base. It will be dark brown, so let's cut the pattern and then we will cut the letter. That's good. We now have first part. Looks good. Now we need to take letter, find some nice piece. That's look good. Okay. And we are putting it here. That's good. Okay, first part we made it. Now we're gonna make second. Now you can see here will be small dots and we will make some lines, but first we need to cut the letter. Okay. And take this one. Okay, that looks good. Now we're gonna start to mark the lines. Okay, part 2 is finished. Now we have top layer, base layer. We're gonna glue it here and sew it. But when I found in the basement laying this one, I don't know where we're gonna use it. And when I saw it, I had the imagination that we're gonna make it don't know what is thickness, how it will be look. We will see it together. Okay, now we have this part, and we will cut this one. This is forearm. Okay, let's go. We're gonna make the unpacking together. Okay, let's see how it looks. So it's soft, not such a big thickness, but looks good. Okay, and now we need a pattern, so I'm gonna use this one. This will be inside, so I'm gonna use I'm just gonna cut it with scissors. Bam. Okay, that's good. Now we have all our parts. So we have forearm, we have base, and we have top layer. So how we're gonna start? We're gonna glue this here, then we're gonna glue this one here, then we're gonna sew it some. Oh, what's nice and soft feeling. So we're gonna sew it. I'm gonna try to start from tim, boom, and we will improvise it. So, and then we're gonna make it in final line here that it will look much better. Okay, let's start. We will use this one. So I think we are ready. Making place for gluing, I use my tape, double side. I use this one. You can use a PVA glue or what you have. We need just to glue it. Now we need to put it to center. Looks like a center, yeah. Also we will glue it. We will put it in the center, so we use that inside one. I forgot to cut the edges. You will see that it will be much better if it will be not sharp. And now we need to mark it here. Oh. Boom. 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 Okay, I see the. Let's try to glue it in the center. I think here is the right place, so BAM! Very soft, very interesting one feeling. Okay, let's try to sew it. First time I am making it with you, my friends, so give me some luck and I think everything will be good. Okay, I think I will start from this one and we will look how it will be. The result looks amazing. Don't afraid of using foam. You can use it in a much bigger one. If we will make bigger holes, I think it will be much softer. Okay, now we're gonna finish the threads on the back side, so it will look better. Okay, now we're gonna make here decoration line. I can't imagine that it is so beautiful. Look how gorgeous we made it. The result is, I didn't think that we will make so pretty. Your minds, what would you do different? I think this one is very good. This is very nice to touch. Good combination. I think orange, dark brown, light brown. Okay, we're gonna finish here, so it will be beautiful. Final steps. I'm gonna make it in backside like. How much you will charge if you make it? How you count your price when you're making an individual product? Right, how much would you pay and how much would you charge for your client? Okay, now final steps. We're gonna make bum, 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 and hope here will fit our. Let's test it. Okay. Bum. Or it will be much beautiful if we put it like this one, or if we put, how would you put, from that side or that side? I think that side would be better. Yeah. Looks good, and I will make a small updating pattern. I'm gonna make this angle a little bit cut it, and this one will be, then it will be okay, right in the place. Yeah. Okay, we're finishing this fancy project. Looks very good. Also feels nice. Okay. Mm-hmm. And final one. Mm-hmm. Now we're gonna press it. Bum, bum, bum,